Welcome to our YouTube video on investing in the stock market. In this guide, we will explore the exciting world of stock market investing and provide you with essential insights to help you make informed investment decisions. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding way to grow your wealth, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and strategy. In this video, we will discuss key concepts and strategies to help you navigate the stock market and make wise investment choices. Step 1. Understand risk and return. Investing in the stock market comes with inherent risks. Learn about the relationship between risk and potential returns, and assess your risk tolerance before entering the market. Step 2. Set investment goals. Define your financial objectives and time horizon for investing. Determine whether you are investing for short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation. Step 3. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographical regions. Diversification helps reduce the impact of market volatility and minimizes the risk associated with individual stocks. Step 4. Conduct fundamental analysis. Research and analyze the fundamentals of the companies you are interested in investing in. Evaluate factors such as earnings, revenue, debt levels, competitive advantage, and management team. Step 5. Analyze stock market trends. Study historical price patterns, technical indicators, and market trends to identify potential buying or selling opportunities. Tools such as moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and candlestick charts can assist in your analysis. Step 6. Practice patience and discipline. Successful investing requires patience and discipline. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and focus on the long-term outlook. Step 7. Consider dividend investing. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a regular income stream and potentially enhance your overall returns. Research companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and dividend growth. Step 8. Monitor your investments. Regularly review and assess the performance of your investments. Stay updated with company news, financial reports, and market trends that may impact your portfolio. Thank you for watching our video on investing in the stock market. We hope these insights and strategies will help you navigate the stock market and make informed investment decisions.